Are you tired of your business transactions being mixed up with personal ones? Mark them as personal in under a minute. I'll walk you through the exact steps from logging in to the final click. First, go ahead and navigate to your LegalZoom homepage. Then, click on Books in the left sidebar. Now, click on Transactions. After that, click on Business to see your business transactions. Find the transaction you want to mark as personal. Click the checkbox next to that transaction. Then, click on Mark as Personal at the top bar, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.